This is how we want to see it before we start our process to make things go as quickly as possible. Hi, I'm Jennifer with Houston Powder Coaters, here to show you some things that you can powder coat and some things you can't, and why powder coating is better. Here is a residential chair, cast aluminum. You can see it's had better days. We've got scratches, damages, the fabric is torn. Through our process, we take it down to bare metal, blast it, recoat it, and we replace the sling, replace the hardware and the plastic inserts. As you can see, this is a finished product. It looks practically new. As I said, we replace all the plastic bits and the hardware, which we have some up here. So it looks like it did when it was brand new and it functions as intended. Now we move on to auto parts or moving parts, bike frames, motorcycle frames, cars, boats, trailers, anything like that. Those parts have to be brought in as bare metal. As you can see here, we have no nuts, no washers, no bolts, nothing. It's just bare metal. This is ready to be coated. This piece of hitch cover, very, very rusted. It doesn't matter. We can clean that up and it'll look brand new. Same thing with the wheel and the rack. Powder coating is better because it's more durable and the coating is actually cooked onto the surface versus a wet paint application, which goes away in maybe a month or two. Powder coating can last up to 3 to 4 years and even longer on outdoor furniture. And if you are bringing in a trailer or anything that has lights or wires or anything like that, you can disassemble here on the lot, but you have to remove everything: axles, wheels, wires, lights, and anything that is not metal. This is a trailer that is ready for priming and coating. It's already been taken down to bare metal. This is the level of blasting that we do. As you can see, there are no axles, no wires, no lights, no hardware, no significant anything left. It's actually down to bare metal. This is how we want to see it before we start our process to make things go as quickly as possible. As you can see, we do offer plugs for the threaded holes so they can be reused later on. But this is a perfect example of a piece that is ready for prime and coating. Okay, so this is the actual powder coating. The trailer that we saw previously was blasted, which is a negative charge. The powder coating is a positive charge, which makes the coating adhere. So after the pieces are powder coated, they go here to our curing oven to be baked. And here we have an example of a completed piece. This is a trailer, a moving trailer. It's powder coated, and that's better because it has an industrial strength coating, and it has greater durability in the elements. And as you can see, with all the pieces removed, all the hardware and the wires and the lights, it makes it go much smoother to powder coat versus us having to pull and work with things that should already not be there. So this is ready to go back to the customer for reassembly however they like.